The year was 2019 and I was 22. Final semester in my BTech at the verge of a new chapter. Some questions were taking shape in my mind, not fully formed but around creation, existence, why are we here kind of things. Ever since childhood, this picture was fed into my mind, doing BTech in a prestigious college, living in a hostel, exploring new things. Now that it was done, I had no picture of what next. Not that I didn't have an idea, I did. Next obvious thing was to do a job, but it scared me and for some reason I was resisting it. Around the same time, Sadhguru was doing Youth in Truth where he'd visit colleges and talk to students, and I was totally hooked to those videos. His words made my blurry questions more clear. No answers yet, but the questions became clear. In that flow, I read the book Inner Engineering, and that's when my inward journey truly began. That was the first time in years I was listening about how miraculous our minds and bodies are and how we never pay any attention to it. I read that book only once 7 years ago, and these four things stayed with me. First, I learned about the word yoga. The word yoga means union, everything merging into one. Second, I was briefly introduced to Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga, which are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. More on that later. Third, the 4 parts of yoga, which are Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and how when all 4 parts merge, we are closer to truth. Fourth is observing sensations in the body, focusing on sensations at the tip of finger, etc. Many years later, I've come a full circle with this learning. Fifth is a lot of Shankaran Pillai jokes which said a lot without saying much. When I heard about Ashtanga Yoga, I got interested to learn asanas in the right way because there's so much potential to it if learnt and done with awareness. This was the first turning point of the many. Every guru in my journey came and guided me just enough to reach the next juncture where another guru's teachings were waiting for me. Around the same time, a friend told me about a yoga course at Ramakrishna Mutt, where along with yoga asanas, Swami Vivekananda's teachings were waiting for me.